Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simula na reading ninyo mga my loves, reminders na hindi to for everybody. So just pick up the messages we'll think are for you. At kung feel mo na reading na tayo para sa'yo, then this reading may be ready for you. And of course, sa tayong gender dito, by lalaki LGBT crosswatchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So tinan na natin dito mga mensahe for you sa G. So, spirits and angel, guys. Like Angel Michael, thank you so much. Parang meron kayo ditong gustong isulong, i-push, no? Kahit na parang medyo nakakakuha ko sa inyo ng 50-50 about something here, gusto nyo pa rin tong ilaban. So, ano yan? Yeah, you've been thinking about this, no? Iniisip mo naman kasi sa Gino, na kung hindi mo to lalaban, wala rin mangyayari. Parang gano'n, no? Tama yung mindset mo, mahal, no? Kasi this is you na parang meron kang gustong ilaban, pero parang feeling mo, talo ka na ron, pero lalaban mo pa rin. Yung parang kahit na nagtatalo yung isipan mo about this, gusto mo pa rin subukan, gusto mo pa rin ilaban. Yan. So, ano ba yun? Siyempre, maaaring iba-iba kayo rito na situation, pero mas pinipili mo rito lumaban. Kahit na naiisip mo rito na parang nag-overthink ka, nag-overanalyze ka rito, no? Sometimes may back and forth ka rito, no? Pero, naisip mo rito na wag palampasin na ito ng basta-basta na walang ginagawa rito ang action. Yan. So, kung ano man yan, mga babes ninyo, yung iniisip ninyo this past few days. With this 8 of Swords energy or this could not be you, pwede naman na ito yung energies connecting with you. Yan, no? So, pwedeng meron ditong gustong gawin na may kinalaman about you ang isang person right here if this is not you. Okay? Maybe this is the person here dealing sa inyo. So, it's justice. Yeah, you want justice here for yourself, no? Someone here wants justice. Kasi, alam mo yung parang hindi ka dito mas makakatulog kung wala kang gagawin. Ganun yung nakuha ko rito. So, yeah, you're taking action right here. Yun yung nakukuha ko rito. Kahit na parang feeling mo, tagilid na to. I can see you here giving in this type of situation. See? Ayun, no, may pagdadalawang isip, nag-overthink ka kasi rito. And with this temperance right here, this is you trying to balance here. No? Parang, alam mo yung gusto mo, kasi general reading kasi ito mga mahal, no? Whether that is love, relationship, connection with someone here, na feeling mo wala ka namang chance at all, ilalaban ko pa rin, susubukan ko pa rin, gagawa pa rin ako ng action. Yan, no? Pero nakakuha ko rito ng energy, no, na parang parang bahala na si Batman. Yan, no? Yung parang yung galawan ninyo is naghihintay kayo rito. Yun yung action ginagawa ninyo. But spirits are saying right here, don't wait. Do your first move. Yan. No? So, ganito, I'm getting the energy of someone here. Like, example, maybe this is not your exact situation, pero bigyan ko kayo example, no, nung sinabi kong ganun, no. Actually, medyo mahirap i-explain yun sa ganung side, pero sa nakikita ko kasi dito, no, for those person na ang action na gagawin nila is ang tumahimik at walang gawin, no, kasi sa nakikita ko rito, that's very specific, maybe for few of you guys, no, kasi kung wala kayo ritong gagawin, spirits are saying to do some kind of action. Okay, kailangan mong ibahin dito yung strategy mo. You have to think about it for Swords energy. Kasi, mga babes, na parang ginagawa ninyong manghuhula rito, or baka yung ibang energy ito, ginagawa kayong manghuhula rito, no? Nahuhulaan ninyo, no? Kunyari, example, no? Huhulaan ninyo na siya yung gusto ninyo. Yung ganyan, no? So, spirits are saying right here to this person, kung sino to na walang ginagawa, pero yun daw yung action niya. Okay, you have to do something. You have to make the first move. You have to make known yung sarili mo. If this is a love and relationship right here. Okay? Kasi wag mong gawing manghuhula. Yung person na nililigawan mo, or yung person na gusto mo. Well, that's very specific, ha? Okay? But in general, na nakukuha ko dito mga babes, no? This is you. Spirits are saying that continue to try. Okay? Kasi may matututunan ka daw dyan. At saka fair and square rin yan para sa iyo. Yun na nakikita ko dito. Spirits are saying right here to give in into this situation right here. Kasi, pwede kasing mga babes, no, they're not actually telling right now, no, na magbubunga yan ng maganda, but they're saying that meron kang matututunan dito sa ginagawa mo. Or this person right here, meron siya ritong natututunan, no, sa ginagawa niya. Okay? Or sa gagawin niyang ito. I can see someone fighting here for whatever he or she wants. And I can see that someone here is trying. Ito yung maganda. For a lot of you, this could be work, business right here, money related or finances. Coins might be business as well. So, sino man itong mga energies na ito, no, make that first move. Huwag kayong matakot rito, no, and with this temperance, you've been waiting for too long, together with this Four of Swords energy as well. So, I can see someone here that is literally thinking about this for quite a long time now, but deciding to fight for this, even though you're thinking that it might not work, you're still giving into this para wala kang pagsisihan, no, pagdating ng araw. And yes, no, tama naman yung ganong energy mo dito, no, Sagittarius. Let's see at the bottom of the deck. See, we have here the Ten of Wands in reverse right here, which is, I think, no, you've been carrying that burden around, no, for quite a long time right now. So, spirits are saying that you have to create movement right here. Fight for whatever it is, okay, that you want. See, Ace of Wands, it's all about passion. It's all about confidence right here. So, pwedeng sobrang attracted kayo dun sa tao na yan, and you're praying hard dito. Yeah. You're praying hard right here na magkaroon ito ng positive outcome. Alam nyo, lagi naman mga babes, no, na nagkakaroon ng positive outcome. Kapag kawan, pinag-e-effortan mo talaga yan, no, na sobra-sobra dito at gumagawa ka ng action at ina-align mo rin syempre yung inyong mindset dito. 2, kung hindi kayo nag-iisip rito, no, ng kagaya ng baka hindi to mag-work or nagsa-self-doubt kayo, no, blockages yun. Okay? Magkakaroon talaga ng epekto yun. Kaya kung ano yung ina-expect mo rito na outcome, kung negative yung ina-expect mo, negative rin yung ma-attract mo rito, babe. So, ganun yung nakikita ka rito. So, whatever it is that you're trying, do it. Okay? Do it with action. Do it with movement. Kasi yung hindi mo paggalaw is not a movement. Because walang paggalaw. Steady lang. Diba? So, whatever the case may be, spirits are saying, do it. They're not giving you a very positive message right here. Kasi gusto nilang makita mo ito all by yourself. They want you to witness. Kaya they're hanging up dito eh. Kasi ano't ano man yung mangyari, may matututunan ka sa bagay na yan. So, they're not telling mga babes na hindi mo yan makukuha, and they're not telling as well right here na makukuha mo yan. So, it's like a surprise. Parang it's like it's up to you. It depends on you, Sagittarius. Basta ang sinasabi nila rito, okay, the guiding step that they are telling you is to push through. Give it a try. Okay? Make that move. Gumawa kayo ng movement, 'di ba? You have to dance to whatever it is. Yan, no? You have to be fair here sa sarili mo para wala kang pagsisihan sa dulo. Yan, yung nakikita ko dito. It's all about passion right here. It's all about that confidence. It's all about work. See? Kasi alam mo naman na wala talaga mangyayari pag wala kang gagawin. Okay? And you also have to consider and put your shoes into other people's shoes as well. Yeah. Especially if they are that people right here that, syempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng thinking, no? Iba-iba naman tayo ng iniisip, no? At iba-iba rin naman ng mga actions na ginagawa natin dito. But I think spirits are saying that you also have to move right here in according, okay, to what you want to achieve. Yan. So, kung maghihintay ka lang dito at yun yung action mo, ang ma-achieve mo ay walang iba kundi maghihintay ka sa wala. Ganun yung nakikita ko dito. It's like the universe is if you keep on waiting at naghihintay ka sa wala nang wala kang ginagawang action, okay, regarding the situation mo, kung ano man yan, na gusto mong i-push pero wala kang ginagawa, wala ring mangyayari. Yun yung aanihin mo. Wala kang ginagawa, di wala ring mangyayari. Yan, no? Tsaka wag mong iasa sa ganun, na parang wag mong iasa na, ay, wala akong gagawin kasi kusa naman yung darating. No, you have to do your share to this. Diba? kung ano man yan, kasi iba-iba kayo rito, no, ng gusto dyan, no, na gawin. Pwedeng sa iba love life yan, sa iba trabaho yan, no. Hindi pwedeng wala kang gagawin. Tingin mo ba kung trabaho yan, makakarating yung resume mo dun sa kumpanya kung iisipin mo lang, no, magkakatrabaho na ako. Ano yung limpad yung resume mo? In-update yung sarili niya sa computer at naglakad siya papunta dun sa kumpanya na yun. Hindi, syempre ikaw gagawa nun. At syempre, no, kung may nililigawan ka, no, magugustuhan din ako nito. Kung hindi ka naman nagpapahaging ng mga bagay-bagay, no, wala rin talagang mangyayari. Kasi hindi naman manguhula yung may gusto sa'yo yan. If this is not yung mga mahal, it's definitely the energy of someone connecting sa'yo. Yan. Alright. So, isa na naman dito mga babes, no, ang nasermonan ni Universe. Tama, no? Kung wala kang gagawin, di wala rin mangyayari. Diba? Kung ano yung hindi mo, kung ano yung in-exertan mo dito ng effort, no, na wala ka dito in-exert na effort, hindi makukuha mo is wala rin. Ganun yun. So, you have to exert here effort in according to what you want as the outcome. Diba? Ganun lagi. Diba? Kaya yung iba na nagpupursige, no, umaani rito, 'di ba, ng success kasi nagpursige sila at gumawa sila ng action. Yan. So, thank you so much, Sagittarius. Sarang ngayon, love and life. Annyeong!